Hey guys, Rob here with a video review of the IKEA Mittzon office desk. So this is a fairly standard sized desk measuring in at 140 centimeters wide, 75 centimeters tall and 68 centimeters deep, making it versatile for use in your home office or as a gaming desk. This particular model features white legs and a walnut veneer top, which I think works really well together. There's also plenty of other colour options available on the IKEA website. The desk itself was really easy to put together as the tabletop features pre-drilled mounting holes, so it's a simple case of piecing together the underframe and attaching it to the tabletop. I think in total it took me around 30 minutes. One thing to note, these are not your standard cheap IKEA tabletops, it's actually a really weighty one, which helps keep the desk very stable and also gives it a much more high quality feel compared to some of the cheaper options from IKEA. So on mine, I have a 32-inch gaming monitor, my mini ITX PC on the right, and then there's plenty of room left on the left-hand side for my work laptop when working from home. It's also deep enough to have a full-size gaming mouse mat, and obviously anything else you wanted to add to the desk. Additionally, one of the things that I really like about it is that it has this really deep lip all around the edge of just over 10 centimeters. So this makes it perfect for installing clamp monitor mounts, microphone mounts, and then any other extra bits that you want to clamp onto the side without having to drill through it. You can buy like clamp cable management solutions as well, which you could put on the back, which would also help. So, and you also get these really handy headphone hangers that can be installed either on the sides or along the front and the back. So while they're quite small, you can see that I managed to hang my headphones on them, and you could easily use them for cable management along the back of the desk. Overall, this is a really high quality option from IKEA that I think offers really good value for money if you just want something strong and stable that does exactly what you'd expect. If you have any questions about this desk, feel free to message below. I mainly made this video just to showcase what a good product it actually is. It has really good reviews on the IKEA website anyway, but sometimes it just helps to see the product in kind of a video context and kind of hear someone's impressions on it. So hopefully you found this helpful. If you did, obviously leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, I'll catch you in my next video.